What if I told you that you can create a magnet out of thin air? Sounds like magic, right? But it's actually science. Electromagnets work by using electricity to generate a magnetic field. This magnetic field can be turned on or off depending on the flow of electricity. When an electric current flows through a coil, it generates a magnetic field that surrounds the coil. This magnetic field can interact with other magnetic fields, creating forces that can be harnessed for various applications. This phenomenon, where a magnetic field is created by an electric current, is called electromagnetic induction. It is a fundamental principle in the operation of many electrical devices. Electromagnets are used in everything from magnetic resonance imaging machines to electric motors and generators. They're even used in particle accelerators and magnetic levitation trains. And the best part? You don't need any fancy equipment or special skills. You can make your own electromagnet at home using just a few simple materials, things you probably already have lying around. All you need is a coil, a battery, and a nail. These everyday items can be transformed into a powerful tool. Simply wrap the coil around the nail, making sure it's tight and secure. Then, connect the battery to the ends of the coil and watch as the nail becomes magnetized. It's a fun and easy way to explore the wonders of electromagnetism right at your kitchen table. Remember to always use caution when working with electricity and magnets. Experiment with different materials and coil configurations to see how they affect the strength of your electromagnet. Now you know the secret to creating an electromagnet. By wrapping a wire around a nail and passing an electric current through it, you can create a powerful magnetic field. This simple yet fascinating process is the foundation of many modern technologies. Try it out and experiment with the power of electromagnetism. From lifting heavy objects to powering motors, electromagnets have countless applications. Discover how this amazing phenomenon can be used in everyday life and in advanced scientific research. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more mind-blowing science experiments and explanations. Stay tuned for more exciting content that will spark your curiosity and expand your understanding of the world around you. Thanks for watching. Join us next time for more exciting science content.